Hello, my name is Jeffrey Bryant, and I'm going to be going over Section 2 through Section 5 for our Advanced React Native Elements. So, pretty much in this section, we went over a lot of the parts about animation. So, we had implemented a new component called Animated, which has a list of different components inside of that, such as animated.value, we have animated.spring, and we got animated.view. So with animated.value, as we can see in our constant position variable, we use animated value to get the x and y coordinates where our element is that we're looking at. So, or in this case, element we're using is a card. So we're setting this position based on where that card is located. And for the animated.spring, that pretty much moves our element to a certain area on the screen. So if I can show it right here in our reset position, use animated.spring from the position where the card is at to set it right back to the coordinates of 0, 0. And then we also have animated.view, which is pretty much just like the view tag, but just using the animation for it. We went over another component called pan responder. Pan responder focuses on the gesture when a user touches the screen. So we have 3 different components other than that too. We have the onStart should set responder, which what happens when the user first clicks down. We have the on pan responder move, is when the element is being dragged around the screen. And then we have the on pan responder release, when the element is being dragged and then the user lets the element go. So this example is based on when we want to reset the position and then go on swipe left or swipe right. We'll use the on pan responder release. So from there, the event we use, well, the parameters for the on pan responder, we have the event when something happens when the user clicks, and then we have the gesture, which is what the user is moving on the screen and how quickly they're moving their finger on the screen. So with the pan handlers, it helps intercepts presses from a user and then how far the user moved their finger. So we're able to grab the, I believe for this is the dx, dy, which we could use to help set the position for the animated.value. And then from there, we went to other properties. We got interpolation. We have dimensions, which is a constant up here. We're able to get the width of the window screen depending on what size phone you're using. And we use that to set the card's width. And then we have dimensions, width and height. We have the animated timing, which based on the timing we determine on if we're able to swipe completely or not and preview the next card. And then from there, in this next video I'll show you the result from this code. Thank you.